Hey y'all, I'm Will Healy of Universal Robots, and boy do I have a steal for you, and it's totally free! Do you own a UR Cobot? Does your factory have Universal Robots in it? Do you have times when the robot idles at the end of a job? Or has your Cobot gone into a protective stop and nobody noticed? There is a totally secret program that I just learned about that seems absolutely criminal to not share with you. This is not some bogus thing. This is a legitimately incredible offer that no one knows about that will create real value for you and your plant. Did you know that most UR Cobots, you can get mobile notifications of the robot status? You can remotely download 30 days of system logs. You can do remote condition monitoring of the controller and the joints. You can read out local robot variables and application status. You can be alerted immediately when a protective stop occurs, and you can do all this while sitting on the beach thousands of miles away. You can do this and more when you register your robot for UR Insights. After you register, we're going to send you a box. In the box will be a USB to Ethernet adapter, a getting started guide, and the URCap. Why the USB to Ethernet adapter? We don't want to interfere with whatever's going on in your existing application, and we want to ensure cybersecurity. And this dongle has a built-in firewall that will only allow outbound connections to the hosts that are part of this solution. And so we want to make sure you have strong security for that connection. So then once you connect the robot and you provide a PIN code that's given to you from the website, once this is done, it'll start updating data every 5 seconds to the site. You'll then be able to see robot status, application status, and set up notifications. This free license is good for 1 robot and for 12 months. Don't trust me, trust feedback from a real user. Oh yes, this has improved uptime for our Cobot applications. Oh yeah, and it saved us several hours of production stops. In addition to the UR Insights, when you register, you also get access to all the value brought from registering on the MyUR website. You get access to URCare. With URCare, our goal is to help you experience a successful deployment. When you access URCare, you gain access to all the UR Academy e-learning tools, and you get direct access to UR Success, Support, and Service Team. But wait, there's more! If you register your robot today for UR Insights, you'll not just get the 1 robot connected for 12 months. If you register your robot today for UR Insights, you can register all your robots. If you have 3 robots, register all 3. We'll get you 3 licenses and 3 dongles. If you have 20 robots, let's do this. At UR, we believe a connected Cobot can help you maximize uptime and throughput through the data insights and the on-time notifications. We believe that the connected Cobot can get faster issue resolution because the Cobot's diagnostic files can be reached remotely and on demand from anywhere with Wi-Fi. And you can have a safe and secure connection with the UR Insights connectivity kit. And at UR, we want to create a world where people work with robots, not like robots. Act now! 12-month licenses are going fast, and I want all my friends like you to get the chance to take advantage of this offer. I'll put the link in the comments, and until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?